Many of you have asked me to redo this video to update to show how we track an object and then overlay another object in DaVinci Resolve both 15 and 16 using Fusion. So here you go. We add our media clips, media in, media out. First one is our video clip. Add a tracker. Shift space tracker. Add. Move the tracker in the video where we want to track the object. Once we have it placed, track forwards and backwards. Finish rendering. Reset to the beginning of the clip. Now, add our object that we want to overlay. In this case, it's a logo. We will need to add a transform tool to the object. Shift space, highlight media, our object, shift space, transform. The output of the transform tool will go to the foreground of the tracker tool after we scale our object. Click on the tracker. Go to the settings. Second one over. Operation is match move, foreground over background, normal, linear, black, and uncheck scaling. Not needed for this. Notice our object now appeared as an overlay. Now I'm just adjusting it where I want it in the video that will still match the tracking and the move. I think that's the step a lot of you were missing, was going back to the tracker and the mode of operation. Just adjusting the size in the transform tool. Go to color to make sure, save it, go to color to make sure everything takes. Here's your example. Notice it stays overlaid right where we want it. Thank you for your time. Hope this clears it up.